Here's an up-to-the-minute list of cancellations on 1015 The Hawk.
Just a few cancellations today. Not really, there's a ton of them. A&W in Port Hastings is closed. A book or two in Port Hawkesbury closed as well. Antigonish Town and County Public Library in Antigonish. That's redundant. Closed. And the Antigonish International Film Festival has been rescheduled for February the 24th at 6:30. Sunny Yoga and Massage in Antigonish cancelled at 3 o'clock. Ben's Outlet Store in Port Hastings closed. Bond's Barber Shop in Port Hawkesbury cancelled. Library cancelled. Pharmacy Central in Antigonish, Central in Inverness, and Guysborough in Port Hawkesbury. All those centrals, they're all closed. Computer Connection in Antigonish is closed. Cyril Ward Memorial Library in Guysborough is closed. DNR Bottle Exchange in Mulgrave closed. Eastern Counties Regional Library in Pettigrew closed. The library at Sarrick in Port Hawkesbury is closed. Enviro Depot in Ayrshire is closed. Fanning Fitness Centre in Hazel Hill closed. Foodland in St. Peter's. Guysborough Pharmacy in Guysborough. Home Building Centre in Wakagama. Lawton's Drugs in St. Peter's. Lawton's Drugs in, Macdonell Pharmacy in St. Peter's. McKeegan's Pharmacy in Wakagama. The Port Hawkesbury Shopping Centre in Port Hawkesbury. Sears in Antigonish. Secret Spa in Port Hawkesbury. St. Peter's Bottle Exchange in St. Peter's. Straight Area Bottle Exchange in Port Hawkesbury. Tidy Tales in Port Hawkesbury and Worth the Wait Consignment in Port Hawkesbury, all closed. As for events that are cancelled, the Antigonish Creative Dance Association at the Keating Centre, all classes are cancelled for today. Club 60 in Heatherton, Cribbage is cancelled. Community Hall, Lordways, Card Play is cancelled for tonight. The Country Harbour Community Centre, the Family Skate scheduled for today is rescheduled for tomorrow. East Richmond Education Centre in St. Peter's, the cake decorating class scheduled for tomorrow will be rescheduled for a later date. Felix Marchand Education Centre, there was a boot camp that is cancelled. Fishing Derby, scheduled for February 18th, is now rescheduled for February 19th. That's at the Gillis Lake, Antigonish County. Almadam New Horizon Senior Club, their cribbage game at 7 o'clock is cancelled. The Kapaj Fun Day, scheduled for February 18th, is moved till February 19th. The 95th birthday party and open house for Stella Gallant at the Lennox Passage Yacht Club in Richmond County is cancelled. Bingo for tonight at Little Dover Parish Hall in Guysborough cancelled. Lewisdale Lions Den and Lewisdale Family Fun Day, sponsored by the Lewisdale Sparks Brownies and Guys, is rescheduled for Sunday at 1. People's Place Library in Antigonish is closed. The Bottle Drive for Fast Swim Teams cancelled and rescheduled for a later date. For Hawkesbury Winterfest, all activities are cancelled for today. The Family Skate is rescheduled for Monday at 3, and the remaining outdoor activities will be held on Monday at 4:30. The Queensport Fire Hall in Guysborough Public Action for Saturday today is cancelled. Royal Canadian Legion Branch 110 in Lordways, that dance from 9 to 1 is cancelled. The Legion Branch 150 in Ayrshire was having a benefit for Olivia Boucher that has been rescheduled for tomorrow at 11 a.m. All of the events will be the same. Legion Branch 47 for St. Peter's, that dance at 9 o'clock is cancelled. And the Royal Canadian Legion Branch 59 in Antigonish, that afternoon pub is cancelled.